Here we see they're cleaning up the scrap where the smessa used to be. A lot of metal from way back when the grandpa was here, and a lot from the past 17 years. What doesn't get picked up by the magnet and go into the scrap metal truck goes into the fire. And there goes the loose housing. Flames are pretty big. We don't know if we're going to be able to burn the house because it's way over there by the trees on a much bigger pile, but we will see.
You gotta be a little bit careful.
I'm walking by like 20 feet away.
Well, I told him no stand too closer because you don't want to burn the paint off the whole week. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Always gotta be good on fire. I don't feel so much about the holes and stuff. Yeah, a little bit expensive. All the holes, when you read it every cylinder, it's about $15. Or cheaper than buying new anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
As we discussed how close he gets to the fire and how potentially hazardous that is for his hydraulics, he tears down the shed that was on the west end of the loose housing in some pretty big chunks. Then we take a shed that was on the north side of the pasture behind the machine shed. There goes the house, and the garage, and the smessa, and the bin. One happy member of the work crew. Well, like I said, there'll be a lot of changes in this yard. There's the garage and the smessa. There's the house. The old white bin used to be there, is gone. Over here was the loose housing, another white bin. All down in this hole over here. No fences, no corrals, no nothing. Next video will show what it looks like when it's backfilled.